Oh great, I'm starving. Huh? Wow, Reese's peanut butter cup. Don't worry Stitch, I think I know where this fast food place is. This address should lead us there any minutes. Uh-oh, I think my stomach can't wait for a few minutes. What are we gonna do Stitch? Hey look, it's French fry. He even bought us donuts. I guess we can forget about that fast food place. Let's eat.
Boy, I'm hungry. I gotta find some food. Huh? Well, I guess I could just eat some hot dogs for now.
Hey, my stomach is telling me to eat. I wonder what I should get.
Oh my stomach seems to be hungry. Well, it's a good thing I pack myself a yogurt on the way here. That was some good yogurt.